guys, what is up, and welcome back to our channel and another episode of our skincare show. In this episode we are making an orange poppy seed body scrub. This scrub is an all-natural body scrub to make. I will give you a few tips that I did not mention in the video. I did use orange coloring for this orange poppy body seed scrub. However, you can use turmeric powder if you like, so that is totally up to you. The turmeric gives it more of a sun-kissed orange look than a deeper orange color if you use like a mica or a orange oxide. So it's up to you whatever you decide to use. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on all my social media sites. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs, as well as Miracle Glow Oil and our Larimar Elixir. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and let's get into this tutorial. Let's go. So welcome to another episode of Make It Monday. So in this episode we are making an orange poppy seed body scrub. So that's what we're going to do today. So for this orange poppy seed body scrub, you want to start off with 2 cups of sugar. So we're gonna do 2 cups of sugar. Actually, we're just gonna do 1 3/4 cup of sugar. I don't know why I don't know why I decided to do 1 3/4 cup of sugar, but that is what we're going to do. To that, we're going to add a heaping 2 tablespoons of kailyn clay. So that's 2 heaping tablespoons of kailyn clay. To that, we're going to add a tablespoon of glycerine. Many of you know I really love this glycerine, so that is just a tablespoon. We're gonna add a heaping tablespoon. As you see, I added a whole lot of it because I just like it. So once you've done that, we're going to add poppy seeds. We're gonna add about a tablespoon, but you know what, I'm gonna save that for later. To that, we're going to add Miracle Glow Oil. You can find Miracle Glow Oil at savvynaturalista.com. Miracle Glow Oil contains all natural 24 karat gold. So make sure you check out Miracle Glow Oil at savvynaturalista.com. So we're going to add 20 drops of Miracle Glow Oil. It's a wonderful moisturizer. You can use it for the DIYs as well as your skincare, hair, and nails. So you want to mix this all together until it's combined. So I'm just going to mix this up just to make sure all the ingredients are combined. So once you have that all together, we're going to add orange color. Now for this orange color, it is a mica. However, you don't have to use a mica. You can use oxides if you want. Oxides are a little more natural, but this is a dark orange color, and I'm just going to use just a pinch of it, not too much, not too little, just because I don't want it too bright. So we're just going to use a pinch of that. And to that, what we're going to add is our hemp seed oil. So I'm using hemp seed oil because it is a drier oil, and that's the oil of choice that I prefer to use. So I'm going to use about a 1/2 cup of hemp seed oil. Now you can use any oil you like. As you can see, I have a huge cup of hemp seed oil right here, a huge jug of it, but however, you can use any oil you like. So you want to mix that. So you want to mix this all together until it's combined. Once you have all these ingredients together, we're just going to add poppy seeds to this just for an extra exfoliation, orange poppy seed. And of course, after that, we're going to add our orange essential oil. So we're going to add about a 1/2 teaspoon of orange essential oil. You don't have to use too much. Remember, with all essential oils, you want to use less as possible, not a lot and not a little. Always use the body safe recommendations for orange essential oils because they can be pretty potent and they can scar the skin. So because this is pretty thick, because I added kailyn clay, I'm just going to mix it in with my hand just to make sure it's all incorporated, because actually it was pretty hard with the spoon. So since it was pretty hard with the spoon, I'm just going to mix it in with my hand. So once you've mixed this all together, there you have it. Yours may look a little darker or a little lighter depending on what type of oil you use. Remember, I did use a hemp seed oil, which makes it pretty dark. So So I want to thank you so much for watching this episode of Make It Monday. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in our next episode of Make It Monday. Also, make sure you pick up Miracle Glow Oil at SavvyNaturalista.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye, you guys.